how we handle very high incidents. In this video, we would like to share with you an overview about our handling process for very high incidents and our requests from the partners while they are logging a very high incident. When a new very high incident is reported in the Support Launchpad, our consultants are notified immediately and automatically. Within the first hour after the very high incident was created, the consultant will call the reported of the incident to inform that SAP Business One support team is working on the incident, or to request additional information about the business impact and align the next steps if necessary. Please note, an incident is categorized as very high priority if the problem has very serious consequences for business transactions, resulting in serious losses with high business impact. This is generally caused by the following circumstances: absolute loss of a system, malfunctions of central SAP software functions in the end user's production system, delays to a production startup or upgrade that is planned within the next 3 workdays. More information about our priorities for customer incidents could be found in SAP Note 795206. The incident will then be handled according to our regular incident handling process, but with the highest priority and on a 24/7 basis, and will be handed over to the next available consultant whenever the previous consultant is not available. We are committed to provide any kind of solution as early as we can. In order to provide these special support processes for very high incidents, the following requirements are necessary: clear description in English of the issue and the business impact, contact person that speaks English to handle the very high incident from the partner side, correct phone number that the contact person can be reached directly, ability to have access to the customer database in case a remote session, WebEx, or GoToAssist will be needed. Please remember, during the weekends, the support is also available for very high incidents, and the same hotline number can be used to call the support consultant if needed.